Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel English Mania. So today I have come up with a very interesting topic, that is film review. This particular topic is from writing skills section and it is given in your 11th class textbook. So what is a movie review or a film review? So basically it is about the story of a movie, including its characters, director, plot summary and so on. So as the name suggests, movie review is about the story of a particular movie that you've watched. Second one is movie review gives the opinion of the reviewer about the movie. So it is very important point. Movie review gives the opinion of the reviewer, the person who is reviewing the particular movie. It is about the opinion of a particular person. So the movie review is subjective in its form. And people decide to watch or not watch the movie based on reviewer's review. You can imagine how much the reviewer's review is important, because based on the reviewer's review, people decides to go to watch the movie or not watch. Next important thing is what exactly a movie review. So there are three major elements. First one is what's the movie about. Second is how good is the movie. Third is what does the movie compare to. Next is steps to write a film review. So there are three major steps to write a film review. First one is before watching the movie, make a study of certain points. I will definitely elaborate all these three steps. Second is while watching the movie. Third one is after watching the movie. First is before watching, second is while watching, and third one is after watching. So let's elaborate the first step, that is before watching the movie, make a study of the title. For example, whether the title is apt or not. Second is the year of release. You must write the year in which the movie is released. Third is name of scriptwriter, means the story writer. Then producer, director, characters. Fourth important thing is genre. Genre means form. So you can write name of the movie is a, for example, I write the movie Three Idiot is a. So what is it about? So is it a comedy, sci-fi? Sci-fi means science fiction, horror movie, action movie, romantic movie, documentary movie, musical movie, thriller movie, western movie or disaster movie. So you must write about the genre of the movie. It is very important. So second step is while watching the movie. So you can write the movie set in, or you can write the movie takes place in. So the places can be like a prison, New York in the 1960s, famous Paris, the future, the far west and imaginary city. So you must mention the place. Moving on to the next important point, that is takes notes about. So you must take note about major and minor events or scenes, plot and characters, moral, whether the story conveys a message or not. You can write about music, including songs and background music. You can write about direction and cinematography. Third important step is after watching the movie. So your work begins after watching the movie. First one is choose an appropriate format for review writing. So you must choose or select an appropriate or suitable format for writing your review. I'll definitely give you an ideal format for writing a review in my next video. Second is organize the events. Whatever events and scenes happened in a particular movie, you must organize the events. Third is use proper language and vocabulary. So in the next slide, I am giving you some useful vocabulary. So there is a positive vocabulary and negative vocabulary. So you can take a screenshot of it and write it down in your notebook. So there are certain useful vocabulary, that is positive vocabularies, like you can write inspiring music, wonderful sets, absolutely amazing, truly frightening, astonishing special effects, extremely imaginative, exciting storyline, unique or magical or hilarious, great acting. So these are some useful vocabulary for positive review. Then for negative review, you can write boring storyline, awful acting, the movie is too long, the movie is unconvincing, it is terrible, and it has a silly ending. And for brief summary of the plot, you can begin your sentence by the story centers around dash dash dash. You can also write the story begins when, like when the main character was a child. You can write the story is about two people. You can write the film tells the story of a famous cricketer. You can start your paragraph by this. So I'm giving you some important tips. So tip number 1 is the reviewer's opinions or recommendations. That is very important. You can see it's a must watch movie. It's a worth watch movie. Don't miss it. Or you can write in a negative way, it's a waste of time, it is not worth watching at all. So the reviewer's opinions is very important. Tip number 2 is very important. Summary of the film. While writing summary of the film, you must write it 2 or 3 sentences is fine, and you don't need to include a lot of details or reveal the big ending. Remember, you should not reveal the big ending. Tip number 3, give ratings or stars. So you can give ratings: 5 stars for extraordinary, 4 stars for excellent, 3 stars for very good, 2 stars for good, 1 star for fair, and 0 star for poor. Or you can also choose 5 star for excellent, 4 star for above average, 3 star for average, 2 star is below average, and 1 star is poor. You must have seen these kind of ratings in newspaper as well as in video review. In Hitwad, every Saturday there is a film review, as the film gets released on every Friday. Moving on to the next, that is very important, distribution of marks as per board examination pattern. So this question will come for 4 marks, and these 4 marks are dependent on presentation of the theme or storyline, that carries 2 marks, technical or unique aspects carries 2 marks, and overall presentation will have 1 marks. So you must keep in mind all these 3 things: presentation, technical aspects, and overall presentation. Only then you will get 4 marks. Now moving on to the next, that is ideal questions for your examination. So questions will be like, write a review of any. So I am giving you some examples of ideal questions, like you may have this question: write a review of any historical movie, action movie, adventurous movie, biographical movie, comic movie, horror movie, romantic movie, thriller movie of your choice based on the given points. Question will have some points. Points are like storyline, producer, director, music director, characters or casting, major and minor, setting, location, conflict, message, significance of the title. You must include these points in your answer. So thank you so much for watching this video. In the next video, I will give you an ideal format to write a movie review. I will also solve some questions regarding movie review. Thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe.